Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to design and add the product variations in Gelato in 2025 so that you can offer multiple sizes, colors and styles for your print on demand items. It is quite simple and it also lets you sell more effectively. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for gelato.com. Once you are here on the website, simply provide your login credentials and log in into your account. Now this will be your Gelato dashboard. Over here, simply click on the stores option in the left hand section and then choose that particular store that you have connected with Gelato like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon or TikTok shop. Once you have done that, click on the option of create product in the top right hand corner of the screen. If you already have a listing, you can also select that and edit it successfully. Over here, if you are creating a new product, simply click on the option of create single product, then select the option of template. Now over here from this list, you need to choose what type of product is it, whether it's a t-shirt, mug or poster. You need to select the base design. On the product page itself, you will see the option of add multiple variants. For example, you can add different sizes like S, M, L, different colors, paper types depending on the item that you have selected. So you need to click on each of the variant to customize the design individually. You can also change the artwork placement, the color, text for each version. If you want the same design across all the variants, you need to simply apply changes to all of them, and you can also select the option of apply to all variants option. Once your variants are ready, simply click on the continue with mockup option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can also select the option of save design over here. Now Gelato will sync everything to your connected store, including all the variant options. You can now view your live listing with the drop downs for the customers to select their preferred variant. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.